Ipadayon na gyapon niya ang kuan sa kaginto. Ang ihanap pa daw siya ang babae.
May TV! Aras sa ato nang gikaandan ang mga challenge nga atong pagkabuhaton since naaman yung atong mga vloggers karon with Geek. Naaghapon tay challenge kay hatag sa ilaha. And we call it
Last word syndrome.
Last Word Syndrome. So mo ni pagaingnon pa kung kinsa tong di makasupay, good luck. So and to start with, ako'y mag-una. Ako'y isang Pinoy sa puso't diwa.
Diwa. Diwa.
Diwa, Jaya.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Di ba pwede diwata?
Pwede ka nang kuha na lang, bahala na lang basta kayong tama ang word.
Okay, may
Kung
pa.
ikaw, diwa.
Diwa pa.
Bahala na kung at least nalito, no? Diwa!
Ako'y taong
lahat. Sit, 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 alibang bang, sa lagito, sa lagubang.
Bang, bang.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Anak, Diyos, pwede. Anak. Play brush man din.
Swatch na.
Swatch. Coloring book. Some people live their dreams. Some people wanna know that I all ala la 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 long all what no may some pressure kung salip ibutang pero kung ingana ibutang lain
Light man kayo mag skin tone.
katong isa
na sa milk?
Napoy kwan dito dark. Charing.
Crazy for you. Touch me once and you know it's true. True.
1 2
Funny how it seems.
Draw.
Always outside, but never in line for dreams.
Dreams.
1 2 3 Dream, happy birthday.
Siya maklaro ganyo. ABCD.
Magkuha itong dark
And now we're starting over again. Again.
1,
Oh my God.
2, 3, 4.
Sometimes when we touch, the honesty is too much. 1 Much too.
Lampi kayo. Pwede mo
Pero kung ako na uli ah. Wala. You only the avatar. Gusto biso.
Mura kag simba.
Go maguna, di ba? Go. A dear, a female deer. A drop of golden sun.
I call myself.
Myself. Sa amo kilala, yung mga curriculum.
Myself.
I give you all my life, now and forever till the
So sa'yo na lang ba?
Nakasayon o kadaghan ba?
Ano? Wala mo kasi training of dress. Sabay sa ayo sa kilay ko. Wala sa kilay. Yung mga bata na hindi sa gulo. Wala niya. Ano?
Dance.
Grabe kanta na dance. Wow! Dance! Singan!
Touch me once and you know it's true. I never wanted.
Five! Two!
Makabalos pa niya.
Compose ang imo wanted. Sige, wanted.
Wanted? Wala mo kanil? Wala sa sige wanted.
Wanted. I don't know how.
Nag-bumper. I don't know how. Then little Indian boy. Or lagi po tumakanta. Yes, cute. Doktor mo to sa... Ako naman.
Ako na.
Oo, kanta.
Stuck on you. I've got a feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't. Guess I'm on my way. Way. Five. Four.
Way gently fall. Say good night. Good night. Sige, go. Good night.
Good night.
Good night, good friends, good night. Now it's time to go.
Go.
Don't
let you go. I won't say I love you.
One! Tawid sa three! Four!
Sa kadahan of you.
Twinkle, little star,
How did you know?
Oh!
There's someone like you in my life? Like,
Life.
Oy, bawal to.
Bawal, Gucci.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Apply pa sa ato. Ano nga gatong
Life.
Oh,
Sana po lang na. Life and the spirit. Kung kaya kong iwanan ka.
Kawanan ka. Kailangan kita ngayon at kailanman.
Man. 1,
Daghan kayo.
2, 1. Manaygon, me.
Di ba nagkurong ka to? Kahit kailan.
Kailan? Dagan kay
One!
Two,
3!
3, 4, 5.
M-O-W-H. No. 3, 4,
no.
5, no way. No. Ano mo yan to? Tapos yung usap.
Black sheep, have you ever worn? Yes sir, 3 bags full.
One. Google. 2. Google. 3.
Fuller than full. Sadder than sad. Sad.
Sad, dinami-dami. Minahal. Hal.
Alalag na ako yung mic. Yan sa kulit. Ay, dami. 1, 4. Unang
Oh, halik.
Iyong. Kadagaan.
Iyong.
Bilang tinukod na pangita. Pauna, oy.
Padayon. Oh, kata padayon.
Mahal nga po.
Oh, mahal. Oh.
Huwag mo na, niwas na po. Serious na ni? Hindi magbabago. Go! Go!
Bago ka go. Go.
Para masanyo. 4. Kanta ni Bunggo.
1 little, 2 little, 3 little, Injan. Tawag yun na. One.
Diyan ka lang at ako'y dito lang.
Saan mo tulong ka mo?
Wapay kayo suwat atong kataga. Ako rin mo ni
Sige lang. Long and winding road that leads through the door.
Do I have to cry?
You can get all the money. You. I'm gonna tell you. Dapat magka-pronounce sa
Wow! Di kara ba?
Hindi man ang pen-pen dito.
Sir, di Karabaw. Karabaw.
Wow, EPO, EPA. Where my dog is at?
Ituring mong kahapon, morning panaginip lang.
Walang.
Lang na sad. Dami ang buhay.
Kan.
Kan? Open can out. Wow.
winner.
Perfect ko ay perfect. Nagkasan mo good ko. Ano technique? Mali ka siyo ba mga
Ako, ordery ra.
Pinakanin ko ginang dance. Oo, magito ko.
Mga adas, dili kay lalim. Kini nga game no, nga last word syndrome. Pag-ingon pa, malimot giday ta, labi kag Taiwan ta. So, mo na siya. Try this one, mga adas. Kung ganahan mo, malingaw. And of course, I would like to have my friends here to plug something or invite you. Go, we'll start with Margaret.
September 21, coastal cleanup. So it's going to be National Cleanup Day and International Coastal Cleanup for the whole world. International. September 21, we'll be in Punta Engaño from 8 a.m. to 12 noon. Free food, free transpo, and provide lamok shirt, free printing. See you guys there.
Yeah. Please like, click the button on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.
And my name is Simon Jeremiah. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel and my channel also, Simon Peter, you know.
October 19th to 20th, Waterfront Lahog, Savage Ink Tattoo Convention, o September 6. Wala lang, first Friday na siya.
And guys, lastly, Inday the Vlogger. My YouTube channel is Inday the Vlogger. At the same time, FB page Inday the Vlogger. I also have my photography portfolio, Gale Portfolios, and we also have activities, which is the first, kumbaga, first event diri nga i-held sa Cebu. The second year of Guitar Festival, International Guitar Festival.
Kapalit.
It will be from September 6 to 8. And please watch out for the grand opening of Anju World exclusive. The rest of the gang, it will be either October or November.
Really?
So see you guys for the grand opening.
Mga adas, hope nag-enjoy mo. And of course, we would like to thank Miss Josephine and Kurt Carcedo of
JCK Designs and Construction Services.
So mga adas, hope to see more of you guys and of course more bisita here sa JCK for your interior works. Check out the comments below. Now don't forget to hit like and you're watching